Hello all and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and today I will introduce you YOLO object detection in professional software. So we have here professional software for object detection, the custom object detection and counting. So let me show you the demo. So I have here pills counter software, simple pills counter software, the medical pills. So as you can see, this is what the software pills counter. Just click on it, and as you can see, this is the software. When you click on the icon of the software, it will open this kind of software. So let's just say if you want to test the pill counter software with the video file, simply go to the video file and select your video file. I have video file inside my downloads, pill counting. This is the video file pills.mp4. Just click on open. It will open the video file. As you can see, all the pills, and here you will see the pills counter. Right now we have 85 pills inside the pills tray. Okay, so this is how you can use the pills counter software for the video file. Now let's just say you want to use your USB web camera. So just click on webcam, click on start webcam. I have connected my USB web camera to Windows machine, and as you can see, this is completely live. This is completely live. So we have now total 12 pills on the board. As you can see, now if I remove all things, as you can see, there is no pills. The counter is 0. It is completely live. Okay, we are counting live pills. Right now, as you can see, there is a 6 pills. Now if I add more, okay, so as you can see, now 18 pills. Now simple way, you can click on stop webcam and then just click on reset counter. It will reset the counter. Click on quit, click on yes, and then it will stop your software. So this is what professional software, the setup.exe file, simple. So now let me show you how you can, this is just a demo, so how you can install all these things. So let me show you here. First we will uninstall. So for uninstalling, we have to open our file manager, then we have to go this PC, C, then the program files, and inside that you will see our software name folder, which is the pills counter, pill counter. Okay, so let me show you here. We have here, as you can see, the pill counter. Just open it, and inside that you will see all the files. So uninstall.exe, just click on the uninstall.exe. Then do you want to remove? Just click on yes, then click on OK, done. We remove our software. As you can see on desktop, now there is no software logo. So this is how you uninstall the program, the software, simple, the object detection software, any object detection software. So now we will go in downloads, and as you can see, I have already downloaded the setup.exe file for pills counter. Again, just click on, double click on it, then you will see the, this is what our normal window for installing any software on Windows machine. Just click on next. It will show where you want to install the program. Click on next, and then create desktop icon. Click on next. Now it's installing our software. So friends, we just click on finish. We finish the setup, and as you can see, this is what again our pills counter software. So if you want this kind of object detection, computer vision, tracking, counting software solution, I will mention my Instagram ID. You can simply follow us on Instagram ID, and we can discuss over there what is your project, and then we can create the solution as per your requirement. So this is it for today. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.